Alright, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to walk you through Capcut. Fasten your seatbelt because we want to take off now. Okay, so here when you launch your Capcut, you are going to see here create projects and other icons that you can also use to make your video. The project that you have already created will appear here. So if you are already working on any project, you see them here. Alright, so now let's go. Let's say that you want to create a new project. Let's say you want to make a new video. What should you do? So here, this is the create project. So we are going to click on that, create project. And as you can see, this is where we are going to do all the work to edit our videos. Now, I'm going to walk you through this particular background so that you understand it, because if you understand the tools, you will be able to use it very well. But first, please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, because I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know in your video editing. Alright, so let's keep going. So when you come to your Capcut, up here are different icons that you will use. So for example, you have media, audio, text, stickers. Then we also have other icons here. We have a screen here, and then we also have another screen here, and then we also have a timeline. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you about these particular icons, and then I'm going to show you how to use this particular part, screen here and the screen here, and then the timeline. Okay, if you know how to use these three parts, you are good to go. You can start editing videos. Okay, so now let's start with the first one, media. So what is the media? The media is used to import files. So you can drag and drop videos, photos, and audios. So if you click on media, you can import photos, audios, and videos. If you click on audio, as you can see, you can also select audios, different audios here. You can search for the audio. And then if you want to add text to your video, you can click here, then you can add a text to your video. Now let us say we want to import media. So let's click on this import and see. And let us say we want to work on editing a video. So we want to import the media, and we have already gotten our pictures or the video that we want to work on. Then let's import it right now. So we click on import the media. So go directly to where you have the media. Let's say on our download. So this is the media that we want to import. So click on it. You can right click or just open here. Alright, as you can see, it has come into this particular part. So this is the part that we want to use for the edits. Now, this particular screen is showing you how your video will show, and you are going to do your edits using the timeline here. Now, if you want to add it here to your timeline, you come here, you see the plus sign. So this is the plus sign. You click on the plus sign, it's going to enter the timeline. As you can see, this our media is now on the timeline. So you can start working on this media right now. Okay, so if you want to add another media, come to import. This is the import, and then we add another media. Good. So we just open, and then we also add another media. So if you want to add it on the timeline, you click on the plus, or you just drag it and come to the timeline, and then you drop it. So remember, the purpose of today's tutorial is to know different use of these icons. So today we just want to talk about how to use different icons. So we don't want to go far into editing. Our future video will do that. So that is why you should subscribe to this channel. So media is used to import footages. You can use drag and drop, or you can just add them manually. Now let's talk about audio. So these are the different songs, musics that you can use. So under this audio, you can search for any song, let's say love song or other songs. When you type it, you can select it here, and then you can use it to do your edits. If you have a song that you like, you want to play, you can download it here first of all to hear how it will play. Now let's say you download this one and just give it time. Alright, so it has finished downloading, so click on it. So if you want to add this song to the timeline, you just drag it and drop it there. Alright, so when you play this video is going to be played with this song. Good. So you just play this video. So now let's talk about text. If you want to add text, you can come here, then you see yours, this is your text, this is the template, and then this is add text. You want to add the default text, you click here. So I'm going to show you how to do all these things in our next videos, how you can use animations, moving text, and things like that. Alright, so if you want to add stickers, you come here, you see the stickers here, just need to maybe drag it and drop it on your video, and then that's all. So if you want to add effects, let's say you want to blur your video, you click here on blur, and then you see the effects here, just drag it and drop it on the video that you want to blur, and you see that it's cool. Now let's come to this caption. You want to add a caption to your video. So this is just like writing out what they are saying in the video. So you just need to come here and select the language I want to add a caption, and then you generate. So if you want to add filters to your video, you come here and then you select any filter. Alright, then this is adjustments. If you want to adjust any part of your video, just click that adjustment and then work on it. I'm going to show you all these things in our future tutorial. Now let's talk about this part. So if you click on a particular frame like this, let's say you click on here, so you come here, you see here basic, you come here, you see here video animation, adjust, AI stylize. So if you want to adjust anything here, this is where you can use to adjust it. So if you come to video, you can adjust the scale here. You see, if you drag it, it's going to be expanded. So if you want to remove the background here, you can do that. So we just use this particular part to adjust our video, give any style to our video, give whatever thing that we want to do on our video. Now let's talk about the timeline. As you can see, the timeline has different steps. So when you add your song here, your song is always at the bottom. So the songs, anything music is at the bottom, anything audio is at the bottom. Now here will contain either pictures or videos. So if you add text will come up. If you add any other thing, it will also come up. So if you want to go to your media to pick another file, import, and then you pick, let's say we want to import another file, you come here. Now this time around, let's import a video. So we import a video, click on open, and it has been imported. So you want to drag the video and then you drop it here. As you can see, the video is on top of this one. It has covered all this particular part. So if you want it to come down, you can just drag it here. So you can take this one up. You can just play with them so that you know how to use this timeline. But in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know in your video editing. So now let's talk a little about how to use this particular part of the timeline. So if you want to lock this timeline so that no edits should be done, just click here and it has been locked. So you will not be able to do any editing here. Let's unlock that. So now if you want to hide the tracks so that this track will not be showing while playing the video, you can click here so that you can hide the track, but let's unhide it. So if you want to mute the track, you can click here. Good. So this is lock track, then this is hide track, this is audio track, mute. So it is just like that for all these other tracks. All right. So now if you want to cut your video, let's say you want to cut this part out. As you can see, this is a silence part. If you want to cut out this part, you just use to come here, use these keys here. These are the icons for cutting. This one, you split it. If you click here, you're just going to split it. You click here, you're just going to split it left. If you click here, you're going to split it right. This is to delete. If you click here and then you click on the delete, it's gone. This is for mark. You want to add a mark to your video. Let's say you want to add a mark here. You click here, you add a marker so that you know what to do next about this particular place. All right. So as I told you, in our next tutorial, we are going to tell you how to work on the video after importing the video. So subscribe to this channel because this is where you learn video editing, AI, and thumbnail creation. Thanks for watching.